Next up, we've got some cool gift ideas for a mom in your life, as in they will keep them physically, not a cool gift, it'll keep them cool. Stay with us, it'll make sense. But right now, time for Hot Car of the Week with my buddy Richard. Where is he? He's at White Bear Mitsubishi.
Hey TCRs, I'm here at White Bear Mitsubishi, where it's Auto Show Madness all month long. That's right, the Auto Show comes to the State Fair mid-May, and White Bear Mitsubishi will be there. But we're bringing the savings to you all month long, where we're giving you $500 of Auto Show bonus cash when you finance or lease any new Mitsubishi through the end of the month. That's a great deal. And Skip's here to talk to you about two great pre-owned vehicles with our lifetime warranty at no charge. Skip?
Thanks, Richard. Today we're featuring vehicles with really low mileage. First one's a 2020 Jeep Gladiator pickup. Really hard to find vehicle. This one only has 6,000 miles on it. $599 a month with no money down. Or if you like something sporty, here's a 2014 Honda Civic SI. Now the SI is the performance package with the manual transmission. Lots of great features. This one only has 15,000 miles on it. Just $329 a month. Both of these outstanding vehicles are covered by our lifetime powertrain warranty at no charge.
If you're looking for a brand new car, buy a brand new car for under 13 grand and get $500 towards your down payment. Looking for a brand new SUV? Buy one from under 19 grand and still get $500 towards your payment. Where are you going to find all these great deals? At White Bear Mitsubishi, of course. We're located just 1 mile north of Highway 694 and Highway 61 at White Bear Lake. Or check out our amazing specials and discounts on our website at whitebearmitsubishi.com.